The 400-meter semifinals, which will be the first event on track on day 2, are shaping up to be some closely fought battles following the preliminary rounds in the morning session on Tuesday's opening day of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships at the National Stadium.
Central champion Gregory Prince of St. Jago laid down the early marker in the boys' Class 1 400 meters as he was more than a second faster than his closest competitor heading into Wednesday's semi-final. Prince produced 46.62 seconds to win Heat 1 of the event, with Joshona Dennis of St. Elizabeth Technical second in 48.35. Ruel Campbell of Excelsior qualified second fastest to the semi-finals as he won Heat 7 in 48.02. Marcinho Rose of Kingston College topped all competitors going into the boys' Class 2 400-meter semi-finals as he posted 49.97 seconds to win Heat 5. Western champion Zachary Wallace of Magotty won his heat in 50.26, while Edwin Allen's Antonio Powell took Heat 3 in an identical time. In the Class 3 boys 400s, Samuel Crary of Jamaica College won Heat 3 in 52 seconds flat, as he was the top finisher in the event. On the girls' side, 2021 Class 2 champion Abigail Campbell of Ferncourt High was the only athlete under 55 seconds when she stopped the clock at 54.70 seconds in winning Heat 1. Rosalie Gallimore posted 55.81 to win Heat 1 of the girls' Class 3 400s. In the field, World Under-20 triple jump silver medalist Jayden Hibbert of Kingston College qualified for the final of the boys' Class 1 long jump after posting 7.66 meters. Jamora Alves of St. Jago was the top competitor in the girls' javelin throw open preliminaries as she recorded 42.84 meters on her second attempt. Jordan Fort, Radio Jamaica Sports.
And later on during the package, we'll have a summary of the 100-meter races, and Denise Walters will join us live from the National Stadium.